So this is a car I've literally been waiting 2 hours to film. Because when you get to filming like right about here, people walk right in front of you. So anyway, it's a 59 Chevy Biscayne. Nice little small block in it. But this paint is ridiculous. This is hands down the nicest paint job here. And it's a stick. So it says it's 383 stroker. Don't know what transmission is in it, but this paint is absolutely gorgeous. It kind of reminds me of that Ford Mustang color. I think it's antifreeze, something like that, but on steroids. This thing is wild. So you see why I've been waiting 2 hours to film it. So he chopped it, but he does still have access to the area behind the cover. This is absolutely beautiful. Sitting perfectly. And this paint is just, I keep saying this paint is just wild. It's hard to even get it in a good light, but I'm trying. And it's such a long car, but 2-seat roadster, man. Crazy. Check out those gauges. But just beautiful, man. Yeah, don't mind me filming. Just go ahead and right to it. So about as good as I can get, guys. I can't wait any longer.